Welcome to another unboxing video from EPS Global SwitchLab. And today I actually have some 1 gig switches to look at. So I have 3 different 1 gig switches from 2 different suppliers. So over here we have a box, it's the 463054PE from EdgeCore Networks, or they have a different name, it's called the EPS 202. So on the front end we have 48 1 gig ports, 6 25 gig ports. On the back end we have 3 PSR fan units. One of them they're all hot swappable, one of them is redundant, and we've got 2 PSU units. Again, one of them is redundant. So this is good for top of rack data center deployments or else campus and enterprise. So these are all PoE ports. So we have 90 watts of PoE power from each port. We have operating systems from Arcus, from Picos, and we also have Sonic on this box as well. So we have our open source community version of Sonic, and then we have our commercial version. So we've Broadcom and EdgeCore as the commercial side. So over to the next box. So this is from a new kind of hardware provider we're working with called Wistron. And this is a bit of a mouthful, ES222754TS-P, and the P is the important part. This is the PoE power. So in total we have 1600 watts of PoE power in this box. So we have 32 1 gig ports, 16 2.5 gig ports, and 6 25 gig ports. And on the back actually of this one is the console and management. Usually you'll see console and management ports on the front end of boxes. Again, we have 2 fan units, all hot swappable, and one of them is redundant, and we have 2 fan units, again hot swappable with one of them redundant. So with this box, as far as operating systems are concerned, it's really new, it's kind of hot off the press. We're actually working with a company called PL Vision out of Poland, who have built a kind of trimmed down version of Sonic called Sonic Lite. It's because this box has an external CPU, this is able to happen. So at the minute we're actually doing demos and POCs at the minute with this box and Sonic Lite, specifically for kind of campus and enterprise networks. So you're thinking wireless access points and security cameras, that's voice over internet protocol phones, and so on and so forth. The final box we'll have a look at today is the 461054P from EdgeCore Networks. And this is kind of the elder statesman of the 1 gig world. This box has been used by hundreds and thousands of companies around the world for deployments. We've deployed thousands of them, but it's still going. It's still a really solid box. I think it's 250 gigs of capacity. On the front end, we have 48 1 gig ports, 4 10 gig ports, and 2 25 gig ports. So simple in its style. And we have 2 hot swappable PSUs. Again, one of them is redundant. So again, this box is perfect for deployments of top of rack, so 1 gig top of rack in a data center, or again, similar to the other boxes, in enterprise or campus deployments where you're looking for PoE power, because there's actually 4 different types of this box. So we have the 54P, we have the 54T if you're not looking for PoE power, and then we also have 28 port versions. It's actually 32 ports because of the extra ports. So we have a 32T and a 32P. So these are our 1 gig options. So as I said, 2 from EdgeCore, 1 from Wistron, and this is a very new box providing a lot of PoE power. So get in touch with us for a POC and to try out whichever software flavor you like. We have the software and we also have the hardware.